Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. I am here in Palmer, Alaska, just outside of Palmer, with my friend Lindra.
Hi, Bob.
And we have a big announcement for a drawing. Why are we here in this specific location?
This is the Vanstock property. This is the 420-acre bison ranch that we will have Vanstock Alaska at.
And because of we wanted to reward everyone we could with coming to Vanstock, you contacted Bluetti.
Yes.
And they agreed to donate some power stations to us for your use and to do a drawing with. So tell us about that.
Yes. Bluetti generously offered to give us 2 giveaway options with them. So we will be giving away a Elite 200 V2 power station. One will be Vanstock admission with the power station. And so if you're planning on coming to Alaska or you're already here, that's a great option for you. And then we will be giving away another power station at the event. So your Vanstock ticket will have a little raffle ticket attached that you can come and put at the merch station, and that will enter you into the raffle for the other Elite 200 V2 power station.
And then you'll do a drawing and they'll drive away with it.
Yes, it'll be yours. We have a page on our website under the participation tab where you can put in your name and your email, and then we will run the giveaway, and then we'll randomly choose who will win, and we will contact you via email with your name.
You have to come here to get it. We will not mail it to you. So just know that if you apply. And how do they enter that?
Yes, we have a form on the website. It's under the participation tab on vanstock.org. It's just your name and email. And at the end of June, we'll randomly pick somebody and contact you to let you know that you want admission to come here and participate in that power station.
And that'll still give you time to drive up here or even fly up here. And, you know, getting a power station for free makes the trip pretty good.
Yes. And we have another option as well for if you're not unable to come and drive, but you really want to be here, we have a VIP package that we're giving away that is housing, it's airport transportation. So we'll pick you up at the Anchorage airport, bring you here, and we'll bring you from the housing to the event. And you can enjoy the event, you can be taken care of, you'll have breakfast at the housing, there's a sauna there and a private room. And that one does not come with a power station just because flying with one can be a bit complicated. But if you really want to be here, but you just can't pull it off, that would be a great option for you.
Now, whatever else you do, remember, you cannot take one of these things on an airplane. So if you win it from the channel by going to the website, and the page will be a link below in the description, and you win it, you can fly to the event. Admission is free. However, you're going to have to ship it to wherever you're going to. You can't put those things on airplanes. They're too dangerous. They're so large. They consider them dangerous for airplanes.
Yes. And to reiterate, so we have 3 options. One is VIP package. So that's, you would pay for your own flight to Alaska. We'd pick you up, house you, and bring you to the event. Number 2 is you're already here or planning to be in Alaska, and you would win admission for the weekend and a guaranteed power station. And then the third option that Bluetti is doing is you are present at the event and you already have a ticket, and you can enter to win the Elite 200 V2 here at the event. And so you'll have a little tear-off stub on your ticket, and you can enter to win it. And then that is also a random drawing. So one here at the event, one is admission and the power station, and then the other option is the VIP flying here that does not include a power station.
And there'll be a page that kind of goes over all these details so that you understand.
Yes, all of the information, details, and you can also have a little checkbox to click which option you are wanting to apply for, whether it's the flying, whether it's the admission in the power station, or whether it's the one here.
But that wasn't all that Bluetti did. We are in an off-grid farm here. There's no power where we're at. You have to have your own power. You're not going to find any here. And they generously donated 2 more power units to the event itself to use at the at the event here.
Yes, Bluetti generously is helping us move towards the space of renewable energy. And so they donated us a very large power station to power the staff cabin for all of us that are working with the event, charging our walkie-talkies, as well as they donated a power station to power the microphones and PA systems for the workshops.
And solar panels to go with it.
Correct, yeah.
So Bluetti has just stepped up and been a real true champion here. We are extremely grateful to them for what they've done. So thank you so much, Bluetti, for your extreme generosity. And you folks sign up to come up here and be at the event, and sign up to see if you can win one, and then come up and pick it up yourself.
Yes, thank you guys so much.
Well, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.